Hey there, welcome to the complete course of stock market trading. Now, this is the only series you'll need as I'll teach you everything from the basics till the part you start trading. So, let's get started. Firstly, I want to let you know trading in stock market is really easy and simple. And the reason most people think trading in stock market is too complicated is because they think you have to learn about the economy of the country, steady budgeting, always keep following the news. No, none of that. You just need to understand a very simple concept. Now, this is the price movement of a stock in a span of 3 months. If you notice, there is ups and downs in the price, but the overall direction is heading upwards. As a trader, your goal is to find stocks that have this kind of uptrend. And you buy stocks here every time it has a dip and sell it here at the top. Again, the same thing, buy here and sell here. Buy here, sell here. So you do this with the help of indicators and strategies that helps you find out where exactly to enter and where to exit. So when the indicators say you to buy here, you buy at 100 bucks and then the indicator tells you to sell it here at 110. You make 10 bucks. Let's say the indicator again tell you to buy it here at 105, but this time the trade doesn't go your way and it goes down. So when it goes down, the second it touches 103, you exit the trade. So whenever you win, you make 10 bucks, and when you lose, like this case, you lose only 2 bucks. This is called risk management. Now there are three styles of trading. First is swing trading. You buy at a dip and sell at a peak, just as how I've shown you just now. In swing trading, you generally have to hold your trade for 1 or 2 weeks before it reaches your target and you can exit the trade. Again, it varies. Sometimes you reach your target in 2 or 3 days, and sometimes it takes 2 weeks. So you can have a swing trade here, another swing trade here, and one more here. Now, instead of having three separate swing trades, you could have one trade where you buy here and sell here. Now, this is a positional trade. In this, a trade generally lasts 1 to 3 months. It's meant for those who don't want to focus much of their time on stock market, just take a trade and occasionally keep checking on it. Now, the third style of trading is intraday trading. Now, intraday trading is basically buying and selling on the same day. You can buy it now, sell it after 10 minutes, or buy it in the morning and sell it in the afternoon. Basically, buying and selling on the same day. Now, intraday trading requires lots more attention and focus as compared to swing and positional trade. In fact, the longer the duration of the trade, the simpler and easier it is. You can choose whichever trading style you want. I have made videos for this series on intraday trading strategies. I have made videos on swing trading strategies. I've also made videos on positional trading strategies. You can watch them all, but if you're a beginner and you're starting right now, I would suggest you start with swing and positional trading. Then later on slowly step into intraday trading. Alright, now nevertheless, whichever trading style you choose to go with, you just need to know three things to be a successful trader. If you get these three things right, you will be way ahead than most of the traders who have been trying for years. Alright, let's go over these 3 points. The first thing you need in trading is having an edge, which basically means a strategy where you have a big advantage. For example, if you toss a coin, it has a 50-50 chance for you to win. But if you have a coin where it's heavier on one side, then you have a 70% chance to win. Similarly, in trading, different strategies have different winning rate. You need to find a strategy that has a winning rate of at least 70%, and that's called having an edge. Now, you don't need to worry about the strategy part. I have plenty of wonderful strategy videos with high success rate that I've included in this playlist. As of now, let's move to the second point, trading psychology. In boxing, there is a saying, no matter how strong or how good your punches or your strategy is, if you're scared or nervous, you are gonna make mistakes and eventually lose. Similarly, in trading, if you're scared and nervous, you'll end up messing all your trading strategies. The strategies that I'm gonna teach you is mind blowing. But no matter how good the strategy is, if your mind is not in the right place, you'll end up making bad decisions and lose your trade. Which is why it's important to learn psychology of trading to be relaxed, well rested and calm. Now, the third and the most important point, risk management. Now, risk management in trading should be treated like a parachute while skydiving. You never go skydiving without a parachute. Similarly, you should never trade without understanding risk management. Just as how I've shown you earlier, if you buy here and your target is here, and in case your trade doesn't go according to plan, you should cut your losses and close your trade here. You never know what's next, it may continue to drop way down. In fact, before you even take your trade, you should plan where will be your stop loss. A stop loss is the point where you will exit your trade if it doesn't go according to plan. Now, the thing about trading is it's a lifelong skill. You master it once and you'll be able to make money lifetime by just tapping few buttons on your phone or computer. So, take it slow and easy. Comfortably sit, learn everything about trading and then go start trading. I've made a playlist with all the videos you'll need to get started with trading. I speak on the strategies I use, how I manage risk, which stock brokerage I use, which website I use, everything. Everything you'll need to know so you can immediately start trading and head towards a lifelong journey of a profitable and successful trader. So, comfortably sit and watch all the videos in this playlist and take in the knowledge. So, the next video on this playlist is on how to read candlesticks, which is the language of trading. Just as how sailors need to know how to read maps, a trader needs to know how to read candlesticks. And then you have the following videos in the playlist. So take your time, consume the knowledge, and wish you happy learning.